Some places are built to be lived in. Others are built to be experienced. Tucked into the quiet beauty of Scotts Valley, this extraordinary estate invites you to live without compromise. Step into a world of your own. Private, purposeful, possibility-filled. At its heart, a timeless main residence designed to live as one grand home or two distinct spaces, meticulously curated. Boutique winery on your land, where harvest becomes ritual and vintages carry your story. To step into it, reach out. We'll be here to welcome you.